Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. In this video, we're going to do a few quick updates on where we're at this weekend. This weekend's Nikola video, the Nikola surprise, and the Lucid debacle. So this weekend we are in Dallas, Texas, and on Monday we're planning to go down Austin, Texas and visit the Tesla Gigafactory and doing a guest spot flyover. This will be a one-off thing and we are in no way trying to steal the thunder from the Quad Squad. They do amazing work and we're hoping to meet with Jeff Roberts and maybe some of the other guys if they are there. If you're not familiar with the Quad Squad, they are a group of guys who almost do daily flyovers of the Tesla Gigasite. There are several reasons why these flyovers are important, and one thing that is missed upon by most people is that we are at an important point in our world history. The world is changing very quickly from something that has been set for over 100 years, using fossil fuels. Sustainable energy is a huge deal right now. I'm personally less concerned about the pollution on a grand scale from ICE vehicles as I am about sustainable, affordable energy. Some people are all about the green. I'm about using a resource that does not run out, can be stored, used, and then replenished. Solar, wind, hydropower, and hydrogen all are ways to make that work. The videos that are being made in Texas, in Arizona, and other places are documenting history that will be looked at for a very long time to come. People take for granted what they see and use on a daily basis. You see things like the Empire State Building, Statue of Liberty, a bridge you may cross every day, the building down the road, and nothing is thought about it and what it takes to create something like that. These videos help document the creation of a new era. With all that being said, if you want to see some of the work of the Quad Squad, please check out their links in the description below. So being in Texas this weekend will make it impossible to fly at Nikola in Coolidge on Sunday for our regular visit. So there will be no visit on Sunday. Sorry guys. But since we're talking about Nikola, let's talk briefly. We wanted to give a special thanks to Walbridge and Nikola for the cooperation on the flyovers that we started doing on January 14th of this year. Walbridge worked with us on what we can do to ensure worker safety and site safety. This included conversations on proximity to workers and cranes and parking in safe places. Nikola has expressed appreciation for giving an unbiased view of the factory construction for investors. Nikola is working with us to do a walkthrough of the factory, and we hope to have something in the next week or so, but timelines are not always in our control. So that's our big surprise, and we are pretty excited about it. We are looking forward to going through that factory and getting some video that they are going to let us publish. We know from what Nikola has posted on Facebook that the hand assembly that they said would start has actually started. And while some more production equipment does need to be set up inside, it was awesome to see that work on the trucks has begun. So Nikola can check that box off as progress continues. We also want to take a moment to thank all of our new subscribers and viewers. The channel has grown from 2,600 subscribers back in January to our almost 7,000 subscribers here at the end of July. By the time you guys are seeing this video, we may well be over 7,000 subs. The amount of comments that we have gotten has been phenomenal. We appreciate all the feedbacks, the questions, the trolls, and even the compliments that have made us blush. We read all your comments and it helps influence what we do on our flights. So a big thank you to all of our supporters, especially our viewers who watch almost every video. Thank you. Before we end this video, I just wanted to talk about Lucid briefly. We're not going to do a deep dive into the details right now because we're going to do that probably in a future video. If nothing changes with the current situation with Lucid, in that video we're going to go over the one-sided agreement that Lucid offered us. This was supposed to be for them to give us permission to fly over the construction site. Even though we don't legally need their permission, we had wanted to have good relations with them. They clearly do not know nor understand the laws in regards to the FAA and drones. However, once we show what was in the agreement, it will be clear that they did not send us an offer in good faith and were perhaps just waiting for the merger to take place or maybe something else. So that's it for now, but within the next week we should have a lot of new content coming at you. So hit that subscribe button, check us out on Twitter, hit that like button, and if you want to support the channel, make sure to check out our Patreon link down below in the description. We appreciate our patrons and they help support this channel. Thanks, bye-bye.